This station rules the nation.
Hey, Roger, around downtown Boston, A101, we appreciate you. We'll holler at you later. We're just trying to get a wave and get out the way. 101 in Boston. Sandbagger, Mobile, gone.
How about that Sandbagger? How about that Sandbagger Mobile 911 in the apple trees? Just got down.
Hey, we're waving right back at you, 529. Hey, 529 coming out of Connecticut. We're waving right back at you. Hey, morning out there, 529 Connecticut. Sandbagger, Mobile out of Missouri, standing by.
Hey, Sandbagger. Hey, Sandbagger, can 911 get in your radio? Oh, Sandbagger, 911 in the trees just got down.
We appreciate your time out there, 529. Hey, we'll put it on you later. Till next time, 529 Connecticut, Sandbagger, Mobile, gone.
No, Roger, no, get back on that Sandbagger Mobile. 911 in these trees, we reading the mail.
Hey, don't put that no rise, get back on me. Don't put that no rise, don't get back on this Mobile. It's rough on this end. Hey, don't put that, I didn't get it. I know it's somewhere over on the west side, because I got my back to you guys at the moment, but we're waving at you. Hey, but don't put that rise, don't get back. Hey, I'm this Sandbagger Mobile, and I'm standing by.
Hey, Sandbagger, it's 911 in the apple trees. Hey, Sandbagger, it's 911 in the apple trees, trying to get in your radio. 911 New York City, waving a hand.
Hey, I look forward every day to get to make contact with you over in the Big Apple. That's for sure, 911, because I know you're gonna post it, and I know I'm gonna look for it. But anyways, hey, 911, hey, we appreciate you. Hey, morning time to ya. Sandbagger out here in Missouri, Mule Country, the Show Me State. I'm gone.
Hey, Sandbagger, you're doing it in fine style, and you're right about that. We're gonna put your name in the Hall of Fame, old Sandbagger Mobile. 911 in the apple trees, we reading the mail.
Hey, 911, there's a whole bunch of them in there, but yeah, Baltimore, yeah, a whole bunch of them. But anyways, it's making it rough, but I'm just trying to get a wave on you. Hey, 911, and get out the way and look for my next target. Hey, we appreciate you. Hey, we'll put it on you until next time. 911, Big Apple, Bagger, Sandbagger, Mobile.
Hey, Sandbagger's nobody but you right about now. Hey, Sandbagger, all up in the strawberry patches, nobody but you right about now. 911 in these trees, we waving a hand.
How about that 25 Green Lake? 813 Tampa Bay, Sandbagger, 813.
But that 109, I sent his heck out there fast with the weekend wave 109, getting on down.
How about that 813? How about that 813 out there in the sand pile? 911 in the trees, we waving. Hey, 813. Hey, 813, can the big trees get in your receive? 813, 911 New York City, we waving.
Oh, yeah, for a good time. But I heard you come up in down here in Florida. Supposed to be on 804 Ram Line. 2500, hello, 505. 813 in Tampa Bay. Get out to around Bad River, back on the U.S.
Hello, 813. Hello, 813, 911 New York City, we waving a hand.
Hey, Roger, hello to you, Grease Monkey. Hello to you, Grease Monkey. 911 in the trees. 813 in Tampa Bay, waving.
Hey, 813, sounding good like always, man. Just want to get in there and wave the hand. I know there's a lot of traffic out there. 813, 911 in the trees, we waving. 813 sounded clean and pristine in the Big Apple trees. 813-911 New York City, we reading your mail.
There's no units around Sandbagger, but I'm looking straight north. I'm just trying to see the difference. 813 in Tampa Bay. Can you do it again, please?
Oh, it's rough out there today. There's a whole lot of bees are buzzing in my receive this morning or this afternoon. 911 in the apple trees just got down.
You did it right there, Sandbagger. Hey, Sandbagger, you did it right there. No doubt about it. Sandbagger, Missouri, 813 in Tampa Bay. Rocking on. Hey, rock on. What you rocking on? What's your bad trip out there, 813? We'll holler at you later, Sandbagger. Go.
813 and that Sandbagger man over here in a strawberry patch. They're making noise in this video gate in the Big Apple trees. Old Sandbagger, 813-911 New York City, we reading your mail.
Hey, in Kansas City, 911, Big Apple, Bagger, Sandbagger, Mobile, gone.
We got it that time, Sandbagger. We got it that time. Conditions are definitely dancing down your way. 813, we heard you in there too. You guys got Mother Nature rolling. 911 in the trees just got down.
Michigan, one more time for the margin time, number 10272. Worldwide, old Dangerous Mobile, Baton Rouge, back to the mail.
Oh, there go my buddy out there in that worldwide mobile. 911 in the trees just got down.
Bagger, standing by.
Look on the mall.
Don't be worried about no worldwide. Somebody's back in his neighborhood. Hello, 911, Bulldozer in the bayou with the wave.
What's going on, Bulldozer with the wave out there, man? Bulldozer always sounding good in my receive. 911 in the trees, waving right back.
Hey, folks, in there, 911, man. I just figured I'd get in here and put it on some local neighbors' heads, man. Put them back in their neighborhood one more time.
Hey, Muskrat, we're waving back at you, Muskrat. Sandbagger, Mobile, standing by.
Station is on the mail.
Stand for on that, Bulldozer. I hear you say you gotta keep the locals in check. 911 in the trees, we waving.
Hey, we appreciate your time and we appreciate you out there, man. Hey, 911. Hey, 911, 813 in Tampa Bay, I see you.
813 just cleaned out my receive. 813 got that Swiffer going. 813, 911, New York City, we waving right back.
Roger, 911, code to your 745 Connecticut, 813 in Tampa Bay, waving.
That's what I'm talking about, 813. 813 just cleaned out my video gate in New York City. 911, apple trees just getting down.
Well, you got them all down, 911. You got them all down, 911.
And conditions are getting crazy right about now. Conditions are getting crazy in my receive right about now. Oh, you'll see it on the gate. 911, New York City, we waving.
Yeah, sure, I'll join it. Okay, 911. Hey, 911, appreciate them gates too. Boy, that audio sounding good. 813 in Tampa, I see it.
Much appreciated, 813. Much appreciated. You know how it is, 813. We try to get it right. We try to get it right. 911, New York City, we waving the hand.
Around your place, you tell big old same weekend. Number 1 around Michigan on 272, Mr. Worldwide Mobile around Baton Rouge, back in the bushes. I'll see you.
Worldwide Mobile. Worldwide Mobile. Hey, Worldwide Mobile, we're gonna see if we can wave the hand. If that bulldozer don't run you over, okay. 911 in the trees just got down.
The way that number 1 get out that mall, I heard you around the trees, cause y'all come around the trees. On 272 Mobile around Baton Rouge, say come on down, let's talk about it.
272 making noise. You're gonna put your name in the Hall of Fame. Worldwide Mobile, Baton Rouge. 911 in these trees, we waving.
Mobile call at 272 Mobile.
42 Chicago 6.
813 almost got 25 dBs in my radio. 813 is renting space in the Big Apple trees. Let me look out my window. It's here 813s out there. I hear all you guys calling 911 out there, but I don't know what it is. Mother Nature's dancing with 813 right about now. She's sitting on his lap. She's giving him a lap dance. 911 in these trees just got down.
Sandbagger, 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 8911, 911, 911.
That Sandbagger starting to wave some money in there. Hold on. That Sandbagger starting to wave some money in there. He's trying to get Mother Nature to dance with him. 911 in the trees just got down.
Hey, we dancing.
Hey, Weber to UC at 316 in New Hampshire, 813 in Tampa Bay, out of the way.
We in the strip club right about now. Mother Nature's trying to dance with 813, but that Sandbagger waving his money in the air. 911 in these trees just got down.
I do 189. I'm trying not to stop Sandbagger. Hey, 911, you gonna put Mother Nature?
Yeah, right back to you. Have a good one out there, mister. I appreciate you coming back. Hey, 911, I'll get out of your way. 813 in Tampa, listen.
Hey, 813, you ain't in my way. I'm having fun over here, man. I'm over here having a good old laugh. 911, New York City, we waving.
They're calling 272.
Hey, 911, you see fire. You coming down here. You got a full CDs out here.
Come back with that 813. The conditions are so loud it made you like overmodulated, but I know that's not your station. I know that's not your station. It's condition shifting. Come on back with that 813. What'd you say?
You guys said 911. I got 40 dBs on you in Tampa, brother.
4 40 dBs, man. Yeah, Mother Nature just happens to be working today. We got her on the corner working, no doubt about it. 813. Always a pleasure to have you in my receive. 911 in these trees just got down.
Come back, Mother Nature.
We gonna slide this thing on the side, go do some paperwork and roll one of them things up. 911 in these trees, we reading the mail.
You're right on Screaming Demons. I hope you have a blessed weekend on that end. Take 211 on this ground, man. He's strong, so we can't stay long now. I got down.
Hey, I catch a fast wave. Come on, get on my lap. We'll save. I stick a snake on the log. Come down, break a break.
Hello, Snake Doctor. Hello, Snake Doctor. 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
Yes, sir, Mr. Great Lakes, South Good, Louisiana. 500 Louisiana, stand by.
Hey, top of the afternoon in there, 911. Hey, 911 in the trees. 647 Everglades with that Friday 5 wave.
Hello, 647. Hello, 647. 911 New York City, we waving right back.
Hey, 911, enjoy your day. Have yourself a great weekend. 911 in the trees. Old 647 with that Friday 5. I'll see ya.
I heard that you said it, 647. No doubt about it. Sounding a whole lot of good coming out of the Everglades. 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
Hey, 911, you take some of them flowers for yourself. Sounding real loud and proud down here in the old Everglades. 647, stepping one more time. I'll see you, 911. Have a good day.
I'll take your advice, 647. We're going to take those flowers and roll them up and smoke them. 911 smoking these big apple trees, and we just got down.
Candy outside. Hey, if you got a candy ball, hey, get out of that candy ball. Bean porridge, get down, break a bear. Using the espresso machine. That sounds like a deadly experiment, Snake Doctor. But, you know, that's your thing. It's your cactus patch. Mr. Terrific in the mag is gone.
Hello, Mr. Terrific. Hello, Mr. Terrific in the mag. 911 in the apple trees just got down.
911, I wonder if you heard me or not. I had to throw another switch. The driver just wouldn't reach. Oh, Mr. 911, sign of Bodacious, downtown Greenville, Mississippi, don't you know?
Hey, Mr. Terrific, loud and proud over here in my video gate. I had Snake Doctor jumping up and down making it a little rough, but 911 in the trees, we waving a hand.
Hey, Terraria 911, I heard you 529. Hey, Terraria, Mr. 911, you take it easy, take care. Welcome to the weekend. Mr. Terrific, standing by.
That's what I'm talking about. And that's the Terrific Roger. 911 in these trees, we reading the mail.
You broke it twice, now you gotta fix it. Go on down there, Roger. Arkansas can't come to you right now because I got this mall down. Hello, that's Stacy trying to call Arkansas. Mr. Terrific, Greenville, Mississippi, off the key.
Hey, Mr. Terrific. Hey, Mr. Terrific. Why you gotta be so mean?
I wasn't trying to be mean. He pushed me. I wasn't trying to be mean. He passed right by me. Didn't say nothing. Went to Arkansas. I had to do something about that. I ain't being mean. I want to be noticed. Mr. Terrific in the mag, getting up.
That's what I'm talking about, Mr. Terrific. They didn't push you. You were close to the edge. No doubt about it, Mr. Terrific. 911 New York City, reading your mail.
911. No, I wasn't trying to be mean. I just wanted to be noticed. Hey, 911. I asked him, do you feel lucky? Well, do you? Mr. Terrific in the mag just stepped down.
Hey, Mr. Terrific, man, you got that hammer down over here. He over here in the strawberry patch sound like you right outside my window, Mr. Terrific. 911 in the trees, we reading your mail.
Tell that 911 you doing the strawberry patch on me as well. Hey, 911, it's that Clint Eastwood stuff. I just feel so lucky, because I can kill them all whenever I want. Hey, 911, I better quit. I'm gone.
That's it, man. Sometimes you gotta throw your weight around. You like to be a nice guy, but every once in a while you gotta throw your weight around. Mr. Terrific. 911 in the trees, we checking it.